Okay, so I'm setting off for the Camino tomorrow. I'm just in the process of packing everything into the bags to get on the bike. First challenge. So this is how I am planning. This is my night gear, which has all got to go in the rear saddle bag, which is there. So I've got my tent, which is a big Agnes 2. I like a 2-people tent, so I've got room to move inside of it with the poles. My airbed, sleeping bag, jacket for when I arrive at camp, little pillow, and my night clothes. They'll all go into that bag. Front of the bag, or little bags on the bike, I have this, which is my handlebar bag. It's got passport, money, Camino passport, all my electronics, my solar battery, my wires for charging, in reach, directions which have all been downloaded, and my big solar battery that goes on the front of my handlebars. Underneath the saddle I've got all my bike repair stuff, so spare squidgy inner tube, Allen keys, disc brakes, chain adapters, spare chain and some chain lube. Another bag that I've got up front is my little food water bag, so I'll have enough bars and snacks and nibbles in there, and my water to keep me going. On the other front of the handlebars, this will be unpacked direct into the tent off the waterproof bag once the saddlebag's been unpacked. So in here is everything I want to keep dry, everything that I'll use once I set up camp. So all my medicaments, if you like, my ablution toiletries will all go in this little blue bag. Toilet wipes, first aid kit, 3 little luxury items, hair thing because I won't be showering or washing my hair for a few days, a towel in case I find a stream I want to wash in or decide to go in the beach, some chamois cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, elastoplasts with the essential Nurofen, painkillers, plasters, factor 30 and a little hairbrush. My essentials, my jet boil so I can make my food, coffee, AeroPress, coffee granules, my spork and some filters, and the only clothes I'll be taking will be a change of cycling gear, pants, top, shorts, one small dress and a bikini with a bra. That is it. On the sides of my bag I've got 2 small 6-litre fork bags. In here I'll have my dried food, tablets for my water, snack bars. In the other one will be additional water in my bladder ready for filtering, which will go in here. I've also got waterproof rain jacket, extra gloves and ties for strapping to my bike. The bike I've just got in from the car. Just a quick note, I let the guys at the hotel undo my bike and put it in their car, which was probably a silly thing to do from the car. So my rear spoke came through. This one, however, didn't. I had major panic. Obviously, I'm setting off in a couple of hours and this hadn't come through. It was actually still in the back of the car. So note to self, always when you take your wheels off, put these back into the wheels so you don't lose it. I have been told that before, but totally forgot. That's what I'll be travelling in, wearing tomorrow, primarily because the weather is shocking. So I've got longs, leg warmers, base layer and my shoes and a cap. So that is it. I will show you in a minute when it's all in the bags.